Let's go. Yeah. I'm in the whip with authority, looking like Sky Bree, she got a body, ayy. And she been calling me daddy lately, want me to put her in Cartier's.
Hello guys and welcome back to another video. We're back with the Mk6 Fiesta. Obviously last video we done the rear bumper. In this video, obviously you would have seen by the title, we are fitting a ST spoiler, some new alloys and some ST side skirts. This is another old video. I do apologise about this one, there's a few clips missing, and there isn't actually a video of me fitting the spoiler, but I'll explain it as we go with the video. Same as the side skirts and same as the alloys. I'm not too sure what happened with the other clips, they've just disappeared, but never mind. So this is the standard spoiler that comes on, I think, the Z-Tech, the style, the flame and the other models, and then this is a ST or a Z-Tech S spoiler. Unfortunately I could only get it in blue at the time, so this is how it is, and obviously this is my old setup in my old shed. But yeah, so this is my first time doing anything like this. Obviously now I'm kind of aware of what I'm doing. Still no professional, but a little bit better. So I started off with I think it was 2000 grit wet and sand, or wet and dry, whatever it's called, and it was taking ages. So then I went out and got some 1000 grit, and I think it was 1000 grit, not too sure, whatever's a higher grit, the rougher stuff, I can't remember. Yeah, it would be 1000 because it's the lower the number, the more harsh it gets. I'm pretty sure that's how it works. But yeah, so anyway, just went along, kept doing this for quite a long time, and it did take me a while. Obviously I had to do both sides, but yeah, so I didn't really bother sanding the bits underneath where I'm showing you now, because obviously that's the bit that goes on the car, but I think I ended up painting it anyway. So I've got most of the top done in this picture, and then obviously got halfway through the bottom, and then it's just a little comparison, but I'm not being funny. When I done this and when I got a wet cloth to it, it hadn't even looked like I'd sanded anything. And that's what I would mean. Obviously I didn't really know what I was doing. Ideally it needed quite a harsh grit on it, and then gradually brought it down, and then to finally smooth it out with something nice, to try and get any scratches or any deep gouges out that I would have done from something a bit harsher. But yeah, like I said, there's not many videos going on. It's pretty much just me going over the same thing for ages. I think I spent about 3 hours sanding this thing. It was ridiculous. But it turned out alright for probably the first couple of months, and then it kind of went to crap. I took it to go get washed, and I used a hot foam brush, and obviously when I spoke to a lot of people, they said what to use to stick these on. They said to use the 3M double-sided foamy sort of tape like that's on there, and then some Tiger Seal, and I don't know if you noticed this, like little silver things. There's one there where my hand just was. That is how they are bolted onto the STs, but obviously on the Z-Techs they do have 2 holes, but they're not in the right location, so I end up grinding them off, and just using the 3M double tape and Tiger Seal, and basically what it done was it to the paintwork, it kind of melted the paint and distorted it, and there was like lumps and divots and all sorts of stuff in the paint, and then I think it was the second time I washed it, it actually started to heat up the Tiger Seal and the 3M tape, and the spoiler started to sag. And then at one point of me driving and stopping somewhere, I noticed that it was just about to fall off, so I had to pull it off, and then I restuck it on with Gorilla Gorilla paste or whatever it was. But obviously I'm on to the painting stage now. I think I did like 4 coats of primer. It was Colorado red primer. Obviously, if you guys were wondering what paint this is and obviously what colour red my car is, it's Colorado red. So I've done 4 coats of primer, 4 coats of top coat, and then I think I've done 1 coat of lacquer, which I think I kind of did wrong. Probably should have, if I was going to do 1 coat, I should have done 1 really big coat. But anyways, like I said, there was a few clips missing, so I haven't got any pictures of it done. But they're the alloys and the side skirts that are going on. Obviously alloys is fairly simple. Obviously I undid the lug nuts, change them. If you're wondering what the stud pattern are, it's 4x108. And the side skirts, I tapped them from the bottom, and then the sides are done Tiger Seal. But there you go, it's all together. That's the car now. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Like I said, it wasn't really a tutorial, there's too much stuff missing. There wasn't nothing really showing what to do. But anyway, if you'd like the video, please leave a like if you haven't already subscribed. And if you want to see the latest new videos, then hit that bell button. Cheers guys, and I'll see you in the next one.
I'm in the whip with authority, looking like Sky Bree, she got a body, ayy. And she been calling me daddy lately, want me to put her in Cartiers, and the deserve it. Put in work for the money, she earn it. Give me top every night, lip service. Now I gotta block these, she worked it. I'm out in Abu Dhabi with a bad look like Sky Bree, ooh, right beside me.